Maya Bay Beach, located on Phi Phi Lay Island, is one of Thailand's most wonderful destinations, famous around the world for its wild and mysterious beauty. With fine white sand and pristine blue sea, Maya Bay attracts thousands of tourists every year. Phi Phi Lay Island has an area of about 6.6 square kilometers and is located about 1.5 kilometers north of the larger island of Phi Phi Don. Maya Bay is located in the northwest of the island, surrounded by towering limestone rocks, creating a fresh blue sea space and blending into the extremely impressive natural landscape. Maya Bay is a work of art of nature, where you can feel the delicate harmony between land and water. When you step foot on this beach, you will be immediately attracted to the soft light shining down on the golden rays of the early morning. Soaring limestone surrounds it like natural walls, protecting and creating a private space, separate from the outside world. Coral reefs are an integral part of the marine ecosystem, especially in tropical areas like Thailand. Along with their mesmerizing beauty, coral reefs also provide an important habitat for many marine species. Girls on the beach have a special appeal, not only because of their physical beauty but also because of the confidence and vibrant vitality they exude. With colorful bikinis and radiant smiles, they create a lively and attractive picture on the beach. Their confidence and dynamism in their movements make everyone unable to take their eyes off them. In recent years, tourism has become an important economic sector in Thailand, contributing a large part to the country's GDP. Maya Bay Beach, with its wild beauty and popularity from the movie, The Beach, has attracted millions of tourists from all over the world to Thailand, creating a large source of income for locals, locality and government. However, the rapid growth of tourism also raises many environmental and natural heritage protection issues. Overcrowding and overexploitation by tourists can cause negative impacts on coral reefs and the surrounding marine environment, threatening the survival of marine species and reducing the natural beauty of the area. Beach. Join us to experience exciting adventures and discover new destinations on our Wandering channel. Subscribe today to not miss any videos, from journeys to unique travel destinations around the world. Let's go to places we've never been before and discover new experiences on our Wandering channel. Share your passion for exploration and travel with us now.